In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an invitation in Canva -birthday invitation. Creating custom birthday invitations has never been easier. And with Canva, you can design a professional-looking invite in just a few steps. No graphic design experience required. Whether you're planning a party for yourself, a loved one, or a friend, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make your invitation stand out. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Canva offers a free version that you can set up in just a couple of minutes. If you're new to the platform, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and a search bar will appear here. Type in Birthday Invitation. This will save you time by narrowing down the options to templates specifically designed for birthday invitations. It's a quick way to find layouts that are already optimized for this kind of event. Now, scroll through the available templates and take your time to find one that matches the theme or vibe of your party. Whether you're going for something fun and colorful, elegant and classy, or anything in between, there's bound to be a template that fits perfectly. Once you've found one you like, click on it to open it as an editable project. With your template open, it's time to customize. First, head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side. This is where you can add fun design elements like balloons, confetti, cakes, or party hats. You can even use the search bar within the Elements tab to look for specific items that fit your party's theme. For example, if you're hosting a tropical-themed party, you might search for palm trees or flamingos. Don't hesitate to explore and get creative here. Next, let's personalize the text. Click on the text boxes already in the template and type in all the important party details. This includes the name of the guest of honor, the date, the time, the location, and any RSVP information. Make sure all the details are accurate so your guests have everything they need. Once your text is in place, it's time to make it stand out. Browse the font options, which you'll find in the toolbar above your design. Choose a style that complements the overall theme of your invitation. For example, a playful font works great for a kid's party, while a sleek, modern font might be better for an adult gathering. Keep in mind that readability is key. Make sure the text is clear and easy to read at a glance. To give your invitation an extra pop, consider adding a gradient background. Navigate to the background section where you'll find various options, including gradients. Gradients add a modern touch and can make your design more eye-catching. Select colors that complement your overall design while ensuring the text remains legible. For example, if your text is white, a darker gradient will help it stand out. Now that your design is coming together, take a moment to review everything. Double-check all the party details you've entered and make sure the design feels balanced and polished. This is your chance to catch any typos or adjust elements that don't feel quite right. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download your invitation. Click the Share button at the top of the screen, then select Download from the drop-down menu. When choosing the file type, go with PDF Print. This option ensures the best quality for printing physical invitations, so your design looks sharp and professional when it's in your guests' hands. And that's it. You've just created a custom birthday invitation in Canva that's ready to print and share with your guests. If you followed along, your invite should perfectly reflect your party's theme and set the tone for an unforgettable celebration. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to comment below with your favorite Canva tips or any questions you have about the platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.